What's going on? It's your boy Jacob once again, teaching the language of Nahuatl one word at a time. So let's begin with the first one. The first word is going to be Masewali. Masewali, which means indigenous person, or in Spanish, gente indígena. The second word would be Quecuatzin. Quecuatzin, which means small, or in Spanish, chiquito. Let's go with the third word, Sitlali. Sitlali, which means stars, or estrellas. And the last one will be Tlali. Tlali is going to be, in Spanish, it's tierra. I'm going to translate it into sand. Okay, so now you know, always practice, memorize the words, and keep on learning. That being said, see you guys next time. Peace.